Good morning, Fraserburgh. Mr. Flanagan here, giving you a quick video on how to complete work using Microsoft Teams. Every subject will set different assignments, so I've got an example for you today looking at how we in PE will set assignments for you using Microsoft Teams. All your assignments can be found in the assignments section, which will be set for you throughout the course of the week, or if you want, you can go into the Teams section, click in your class, where you can find all assignments set for you there. So the example that I've got for you today is the Travel the World Fitness Challenge. I've set this for 1M2, and this is what you would see if you click on your task. As you can see that there is an instructions section, clear step-by-step guide into how to complete the assignment today. So I have said for 1M2 to open the document, scroll to the London to Wembley Stadium section, which is on page 2, start a timer on their phone, and then follow the table and how to complete their exercises. And then finally, type in the comments their final time. So as I said, this is what you would see if you clicked on your assignment. And as you can see, there is a document attached along with the task. So I've been told in the instructions section that I have to scroll to page 2 where I can find my workout for today. And for the final instruction, I was told to go to the comments section and put in my final time. So the comments section will be in the posts section to the team, where you can see everybody in 1M2 has posted their final time. Now, Fraserburgh, that is a very quick guide into how to access assignments within PE. Every subject will be different. You'll be set different assignments, but every format to the assignment will be the same. It'll have a title section, as you can see at the top there. It'll also have an instruction section into how to complete the task, and then any documents attached. But for PE, I'll always be attaching some YouTube clips and to show you a step-by-step guide into how to access and how to complete your work. Also, what can be used within the comments section is that you can post any comments if you have any problems. Now, Fraserburgh, I hope this video is clear. It's a very quick guide into how to complete work and how to access it, but if there is any problems, please just put it into the comments section and your teacher will help you.